Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you are in good health. Today, our topic is related cable installation, which is how you install the cable, its power and controls. So, we will see how it goes, and this is based on the actual information. So, check it out. So, guys, as you can see here, this is the photos that has been taken. Okay, this is our cable laid. So this cable is coming from the top, and then this is the equipment from here, and then goes down to the cable tray. You can see here also, you can see the cables are here and also in this area. So meaning the cable pulling and laying of the cables is coming from the top and also coming from the bottom. It's vice versa. So this is how it works, how you do the cable pulling. And you run the cable, it's around 500 meters, or it depends of your equipment end to end. So equipment to equipment or equipment to devices. All right. So as you can see here in the slide, the cable is already dressed accordingly and properly segregated. You can see the power and controls. For example, guys, this is your informations. For example, in one cable tree that is 900 mm. So if you have the power, you have a power cable and you have also the control cables. So power and control cables should be separated accordingly as per your information. So since you have only one cable tray, you need to separate and you have to put a distance, let's say 150 mm or 300 mm. It depends on the voltage grade of your cables. Okay, as you can see here, it's already dressed accordingly, and then they're putting this cable tie, which is coated. See, this is already laid as per our requirements. All right. And you can see it's little bit here some of this area. So if your cable cut, okay, it's waiting for the terminations of your equipment or devices, should be covered to protect our ingress protection, okay, to prevent the moistures will coming in your conductor. So this is the most important. So the quality is always taking the observations with regards to your cable end. So of your cable end of your cable should be protected and covered for the ingress protections. Okay, the moistures will not be coming in. And this is how you run your cable. Cable dressing properly run and properly segregated. All right. So now you can see here, this is our cable now and directly glanding to our panel. So you can see in the top level, this is our cutout, of, and then this is our cable coming from the cable tree below deck, okay, and should be glanded. So as you can see here, this is the below of our panel. This is the hole. So each hole that's to be covered. So you need to provide the blind plug. So blind plug always hexagon type. As you can see here, hexagon type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 8. So this is the hexagon type of your blind plug. So SS. Okay. So now you can see our cable is directly straight run towards to your gland plate. Okay, this is our gland plate, and this is our hole to insert our cable. All right, so you can see here, this is our cables that directly also connected to our panel. But what is the differences? You can see the differences from this side. From this side, we requested to provide additional support to do the clamp or clip our cable in order to prevent the tension of the cables. That's why we're always providing the support. As you can see here in your left side photos, in the left side photo, they are providing cable tray, and then they're providing the clip or clamp. Okay, so it should be protected. So this is how we do the installation, and when you do the inspection, this is your needs to be verified. And if they are not providing, the contractor, they're not providing the construction team, so you take the observation or punch list. All right, and of course this area still there's no tag, cable tag. This area, see, you can see here, this is the cable tag. So after that, when they offer for inspection, all the dressing is complete, cable tagging is complete, shroud is complete, blind plug is completed, everything is completed with, so that there's no punch list. Okay, so and also when you run your cable below of the panel, you make it sure that you will run accordingly and without stressing our cable, so that you are providing the support of your cable as long as that the bending radius of the cable. So bending radius is crucial in our construction, but the quality should be verified for the bending radius as per our project specification, as well as our vendor recommendation. All right. So this is how the cable installation. And now I will show you some of the example. You can see here after the glanding. So you gland already here. So when you gland, of course, you need to terminate your wire. So phase one, phase two, phase three. This is let's say this is three run, and then this is four core. So you can terminate, and then this is a clear example of our termination point. So this is our red, yellow, blue, and black. So meaning we have a four wire. So line 1, line 2, line 3, and neutral. So red, yellow, blue, and neutral. Neutral meaning this is the black color. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. You can call it that one also slope. So you have a three run. So you have three runs meaning three runs, three cables run accordingly to your panel. And then you can see in this area, this is our termination point. So this is our lug. So lugs, can see the lugs. Lugs must be, not shall, must be connected directly to our bolt. Can see the bolt, can see the hole here, and this is our bolt. That's to be connected directly there, and without the gap. Hi, good morning. Without the gap. So without the gap meaning there is no gap of your lugs and through your bolt. When you do the torquing, so after terminations, you start your torquing. So for example, this is aim 8 or aim 6. So it depends on the how much the torquing value that required. And this is the vendor recommendation when you do the torquing. So when you do the torquing, so check the torquing value and with it's recommended by the vendor. So aim 8, let's say aim 8 the aim 8 size. So 15 Newton metric. Okay, it depends. So just verify and then should be placed here in the door panel. This is the door cabinet or door GB or JB or whatever. Just put here your information of the torque value of the vendor recommendation. All right. So this is how the examples of our cable pulling, how you terminate, how you dress accordingly, and proper termination after glanding, after terminations of your cable, wiring, and cable tagging, etc. So don't forget to provide torquing of your bolt. Right. So as you can see here, another example. So this is our cable. It's running directly to our junction box. So still, this still not stripping or cutting, etc. So the cable is still out there, and this is still messy, and they're preparing to terminate the wiring. And now, since the wiring is all completed and terminated, this is the complete termination of our wire. So very clean and without dust, and of course cable tag are there, earthing are there, everything is clear and perfect. It's very good in the eyes. Okay, that's it. So thank you guys, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the new subscriber, for the new in my channel. Don't forget to like and share all your colleagues. Bye bye, see you in my next video.